Hey guys, so for my citizen science project I did bird watching with FeederWatch. So Project FeederWatch is a study that lets normal citizens like us survey and keep track of the birds that visit our area. So basically what I did was count and record the species of birds that visited my backyard. So this helps scientists track the movements of bird populations and their abundance and distribution, which is really important because following these changes in the patterns of bird population abundance helps them determine the reason for those changes and which could possibly affect other aspects of the environment. Now, the first thing that I did was I went to feederwatch.org and I set up an account by clicking the red button that says join, renew, or donate. Now, they're going to ask you to pay a fee of $18 when you donate, but that's because they're going to send you what they call a Feeder Watch kit, and the kit comes with all the things you need. So it comes with a chart with all the common birds in the area, a calendar for bird watching days, and a Feeder Watch handbook and instructions kit. So while you're waiting for your kit to arrive, you can go ahead and build your bird feeder like I did to attract your birds, or you can wait for more details about making a bird feeder that come in the kit. Now, something that you want to keep in mind when you make your bird feeder is that the size of the bird feeder is going to determine the size of the birds, just like the type of seeds that you use is going to determine the birds that come in your area. So because mine was kind of small, it attracted relatively small species of birds, but I compensated this by putting some birdseed on the ground. Also, if you have a lot of squirrels in your area, like I do, that is a squirrel on the right in the picture, by the way, if you can't tell, you might want to put some Vaseline on the stick of the bird feeder. Um, so, yeah, just keep that in mind. So when I got my feeder kit, I was finally able to start collecting data on the birds that I saw. Now, the website has a very specific way of doing this, so if you do this, be sure to read all of the requirements first before collecting the data. So what I did was, starting February 11th, I recorded what birds visited every weekend and the weather conditions at the time, and I did this for about 6 weeks. So here are some pictures of the data that I collected. Something that I noticed a lot was that most of the birds that frequently visited were northern cardinals, and there were also a lot of mourning doves and woodpeckers, while other birds would only visit occasionally. So I had a lot of northern cardinals, um, and also house finches too. They came in really big groups. So the very last step is to take all of the data that was recorded and send it to FeederWatch so they can analyze it along with the other data that they receive. So when you send in all your data according to your location, the analysts at FeederWatch can track any migratory patterns they find according to the data and hopefully spot any changes due to environmental impacts so we can keep our environment in check. So that's about it. If any of you guys decide to do this, happy bird watching, and thanks for listening.